Well, we just got this condo, and why did we get this condo? Check this out. Oh man, it's right by the river. Look at this. Oh, there's some geese down there. And usually there's mallards swimming around. There's a couple over there. Right down in there. Oh, this is going to be cool. And, you know, it just ended up closing the other day. And the first thing we needed to do, what was the first thing, the very first thing to do when you get a new place? Yes, get it rekeyed. Get the front door rekeyed. And we've got a door that goes into a tiny little garage. Look how small this is, but we can fit the car in here. Can you believe how small this is? And here's the door that goes into the garage, and it had a key on both of those and the front door. So the first thing we did, picked up the keys, and I took these off and I took them over to a locksmith. And it was a little bit cheaper for me to do that than to call someone and have them come out. Okay, now here's the thing. If you need to get your things rekeyed at your house or something, if you're handy and you don't mind going down someplace, you're going to save probably $75 to $100 if you take off the locks and take them to a locksmith's shop. Now, granted, when you get to the locksmith shop, sometimes they can do it while you wait. Other times they say, well, hey, we can't do it today. We're going to have to work on it. We'll call you, or you stop by in the morning. We very well can't do that for a front door, can you?